पदान्तिकम् वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतापदकमलम् श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपां साग्रजातां सहगण ललितातान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्रीराधा कृष्ण पदान् सहगण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So we'll revise our previous verses starting from 1.1. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत संजय। Translation. Dhritarashtra said,
O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled on the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra,
desiring to fight, what did they do? 2.7 कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचिताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्। Now I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness.
In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I have decided that this is unto you. Please instruct
me. 2.13 देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तर प्राप्ते धीरस्तत्र न भूयति। Translation. As the embodied soul continuously passes
from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes on to another body and a sober person is not bewildered by such a change.
2.14 Matra spashasu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkhadah agama paino nityas tam sitikshasva bharata.
O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons.
They arise from sense perception, O sign of Bharata.
And one should learn to tolerate them without being disturbed.
Next.
Jayate
mriyate va kadachin nayam bhutva bhavita vana bhuyah ajo nityah shashvatoyam purano na hanyate hanyamane sharire.
For the soul there is neither birth and death ending for him. He has not come into being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, everlasting, existing, and primeval. He is not slain
when the body is slain.
Neha vikramanaşosi प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पं यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. In this endeavor there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path can save one from the most dangerous type of fear.
Next.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि रेकेह गुरुनन्दना बहुशाखायनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाः. Those who are on this path are resolute in purpose, and their aim is one. O beloved child of the Gurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is very harsh.
Next.
विषया विवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते. The embodied soul should be restricted from sense enjoyment, but the taste for sense objects remains. But seeing such engagements by experiencing a higher taste, he is fixed in consciousness.
विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधो विजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
While contemplating on the objects of the senses, one develops attachment for them, and from such attachment lust develops, and from lust anger arises. From anger complete delusion arises, and from delusion bewilderment of memory. When intelligence is lost, and when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material loop. Yagyashishtashidah santo
मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः भुञ्जते ते त्वघं पापा ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात्. The devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sinful reactions, which is offered first for sacrifice. Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sin. Chapter 3, verse 27. प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. The spirit soul, bewildered by the influence of false ego, thinks himself the doer of activities that are in actuality carried out by the three modes of material nature. 4.2. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshyo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtaha parantapa. The supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood it in that way. But in course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it appears to be lost. 4.6. Ajopi san avyaya atma bhutanam ishvaropi san prakritim swamadhisthaya sambhavamyatma mayaya. Can you try the last line again? Sambhavamyatma mayaya. Perfect. Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I
still appear in my original
form.
यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself. That's called mechanical chanting. Pavitranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya
Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. To deliver the pious and to annihilate miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. 4.9. Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo veti tattvatah tyaktva deham punarjanma neti mameti so Arjuna. One knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities, does not, upon leaving the body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode. Now we'll stop at 4.11, then we'll start our verse, and in the end we'll revise again. 4.11 will be the last one. 4.11. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tamstathaiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanuvartante manushyaha partha sarvashah. The Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters. Is that even writing still? Okay, wait. So Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters. There are 3 sections to it. First 6 chapters, between the center 6 chapters, and then the last 6 chapters. Becomes the 3 sections of Bhagavad Gita. Like in a sandwich, there's a toast on top, there's a toast below, and a grilled sandwich, and then there's cheese in between, whatever you want. So what is the main part? The stuffing. That gives name to the sandwich, right? Cheese sandwich or vegetable sandwich. It's the stuffing which is important, right? So the center 6 chapters are actually of most importance. That's the place where Krishna describes himself and devotional service and what he actually wants out of, the lost souls or the souls who think they are this material body the most. Is described in these 6 middle chapters. So if you see, up till now we were doing the 6th chapter, 1st to 6th. So in that you will see Krishna speaks about mind control. Very little he speaks about himself in these few verses, 4.2 to 4.9. Very little, just about his, a little bit about his advent, little bit about his activities. But how exactly he is starts from the 7th chapter onwards, the 7th to 12th. The name of the 7th chapter, do you know what is the name of the 7th chapter? Absolute. Check the index. I'm lazy to start it. Can you imagine, even after having this, I'm lazy. Knowledge of the Absolute. So he's talking about himself now. Correct. So from the 7th verse onwards, you will see that how he is describing himself. I'm just reading the translation of the 7th verse. O conqueror of wealth, that is Dhananjay, it's a name for Arjun. There is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread. Now it's quite obvious that all the pearls are together. The thread is invisible. But if the thread is not there, what happens? All the pearls are scattered. So everything, material and spiritual, everything in this creation depends on Krishna. So he's a personality. He's saying it depends on me. Right? O conqueror of wealth, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as pearls are strung on a thread. So this money is pearls. So we'll cut off these things. Mattaha parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarva midam protam sutre manigana iva. This has to be pronounced together. That's why the dash. Manigana iva. Can we start? Word to word translation. Mattaha. Beyond. Beyond me. Beyond me. Parataram. You say it as Parataram. Superior. Not. Anyat.
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 Kinchit.
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 Anything else.
Anything else.
Mataha parataram nanyat.
Mataparatam nanyat.
Mataha parataram nanyat.
Mataparatam nanyat.
Mataha parataram nanyat.
Mataparatam nanyat.
Asti.
Asti.
There is.
There is.
Dhananjaya.
Dhananjaya.
O conqueror of wealth.
O conqueror of wealth.
Mai.
Mai.
In me.
In me.
Sarvam.
Sarvam.
All that be.
All that be.
Idam.
Idam.
Which we see.
Which we see.
Protam.
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 Little bit emphasis on the M. Protam
Protam.
is strung.
Is strong.
Sutre.
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 On a thread.
On a thread.
Mani.
Mani.
Ganaha.
Ganaha.
Mani.
Mani.
The umbrella na. The big na. Mani.
Mani.
Ganaha.
Ganaha.
Pearls.
Pearls.
Iva.
Eva.
Like.
Like.
Please read the translation together.
O conqueror.